Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making this mini house right here. Looks really calm and quiet. So now let's take it apart, which won't be a problem. So we won't need to do any time lapse today. So let's take this out. And we should be done in 3, 2, and 1. So now I'll show you all the pieces that you need. We need 4 2x2 slope pieces, 6, well, technically 8 if you count the glass pieces of 1x2s, 1 2x2, and 1 2x6 flat piece. So now, let's get started by doing this. Get our glass. Put your 2 glass pieces on top of the 2x2s. Then get these 2 light yellow pieces and then put the dark yellow on top of this. And then put the 2 other dark yellow pieces on top. Then get your blue and the next set, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!